The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, I want to explain a little bit about this video so that you can have a little understanding what this video is about before I present it to you. You see? And I also want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the Bahamas Islands. You see? Yeah, big up and respect. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video shows when a female was being arrested by law enforcers within the Bahamas. Now, the reason why I said law enforcers is because it is said that this video shows persons who are said to be members of the police and the Royal Bahamas Defense Force. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the Bahamas this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this incident happened. But however, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video as well, I get the understanding that this video is out on social media where it is said that the female was being arrested by law enforcers within Bahamas because she was resisting arrest. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, more comments have been made on social media that also gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that resisting arrest was not the only reason why this female was being arrested. You see? And this video raises questions on social media. And one of those questions are, what was the first reason for the female's arrest before the female resisted arrest? I hope you understand what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers. You see me? This video is out on social media where some persons are saying that the law enforcers are wrong, and some persons are saying that no, the law enforcers are not wrong, the female is wrong, and other comments have been made on social media about the video. You see me? And you know, I'm presenting this video to you basically to keep you up to date and post it, let you know what's going on. And you can also let me know what you think. You know, you can let me know if you think the law enforcers were wrong, or you can let me know if you think the female was wrong, and other things as well. You see me? Alright, and I'm going to present the video to you, and I'm telling you from right now that this video is somewhat shocking. You see me? This video shows law enforcers holding on to the female, and there's pushing and there's yelling, and law enforcers are trying to put the handcuff on the female's hands. You understand? So therefore, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, they are not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah. Crazy, so tell me what she under arrest for, please, officer. Because you look before she started resisting arrest, what you lock up for? Hold on. Before she started, I put I-7 in this eyewitness news. Before she started resisting arrest, what was she getting locked up for? What she was getting locked up for, sir? Hey, you gonna stop like that? You gotta fight me. You say this again. I don't care what you. All right, I-7 in this eyewitness news. They come in my yard. My niece ain't do nothing. They locking her up, and because they couldn't lock her, they charging her with resistance arrest. All right. Don't worry. This a lawsuit. This a lawsuit. And we suing the same officer. That's a lawsuit. This a lawsuit. But why you want to go to me? Let me go to me. We suing him. Don't worry. You ain't losing job today. Today you losing his job. So you can break our hand in. You can break our hand in. Choke me, you get beat up. All of us can get locked up today. All of us can get locked up today. All of us can get locked up today. Because you all look like you all mixed up around here, right? Step back. Put your hand in your back. Put your hand in your back. speech. This officer is the only sensible officer here. You're getting the call from officers. Mister, if you break a hand, you can lose your job today. If you break a hand, you can lose your job today. Don't worry. Don't worry. He can lose his job. Simple. He can lose his job today. Simple as that. TJ, don't worry. He can be out of a job today. Jermaine. Or, no, he had to get like that because he's a little bitch. And he can lose his job today. Today. No, she doesn't do nothing. It's only this man. You break up with it to be a girl. Don't touch me, mister. Don't touch my man. Don't touch my man. I know my right. My daddy is a cop. You can't live here for nothing. I know my rights, my brother. I can't know my rights and my rights. Go over. Don't worry. I called him about it, but he told me he's losing job today. He's trying to break a foot. What you do? What so he can record all of this? So he can be on that job today. Move! You ain't supposed to be there. You're supposed to be a defense force officer.
Go from here.
He's supposed to be a defense force officer.
Move your foot.
My wrist.
Move your foot.
Move your foot. I have everything on the Relax yourself.
Move your foot. Move your foot.
Put your foot in, Joe. Stop doing your foot.
Do the cuff off the girl. He's the cuff off the girl. Don't be in that camera.
I don't have a criminal record. I'm
fucking me. Hey, let me get no, man. Take a run. Take a run, dude.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that shows when a female was being arrested by law enforcers within the Bahamas. Again, I'm going to say this, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the Bahamas Islands this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this incident happened. You see me? However, this video is out on social media and many comments have been made about this video on social media, and many questions also had been asked about this video, and one of those questions are, what could be the first reason for law enforcers within the Bahamas to be arresting this female? You see me? Yeah, and according to the context, it would seem as if they're asking what's the first reason for the law enforcers to be arresting the female before the female resisted arrest. That's what I'm saying to you. In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I'm not quite sure how to look at this situation. You understand me? Because, I look at the video and, I also did some research. I got no information if the female was released at a certain date or held on to in law enforcement's custody for a while or so on, or police custody. As I got no information about that. As I said, and I did not get any information to determine enough who could be at fault during this whole incident. You understand? Yeah, so I'm just telling you right there, viewers and subscribers. But however, the video is out on social media, and me, Dancehall Skilla, me only there so to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Yeah, I bring this video to you because it's getting a buzz on social media. You understand me? And I hope you understand all the things that I just said about this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.